Man, good transition.
Transition, yeah.
Alright guys, so today I'll be testing out the Fuji X-H2 8K Blackmagic RAW to the Blackmagic 12G Assist. The video, what do you want to get? It's so weird, them call it, it's just a weird name. So yeah, this is a Blackmagic Video Assist, right? So we have Marcy,
Yeah.
right? Just to make sure, just to
Just
make
make
sure.
sure, Marcy, yeah.
Yeah, so I have Marcy here with this amazing outfit. You get me? You see all of this. Yo, her idea. Her idea. I don't know if anybody else assisted you with it.
Monarchy JA that helped with the crown, less than 12 hours. She got to the point and gave it to me. Big up she.
Oh, this was done in one from last night till now?
Yes, like she just went through it, stayed up all night to get it for us.
I love it. All right. So we're going to do the first test shot in this nice scenic space, right? So I'm just going to do a full body shot and then a close-up shot and then see what the footage looks like. You get me? So let's go. All right. So doing a test shot. So I'm doing the upper body first and see what the footage looks like. Yo, this look really good still. All right. Yeah. So the camera shoots really good. Oh, let me see the jello effect on this. It's a bit delayed on the monitor, but yeah, this looks so nice. So I've like, let me see how much minutes I've like 24 minutes left on this. All right. But I'm wondering if I should record internally and just get a different vibe and see what it looks like in the ProRes HQ. All right, so I'm gonna start this again. So one of the main things I realized is just that I only can shoot 8K 30 on this camera when I shoot into the Blackmagic Video Assist monitor. There's no other option, but I can almost slow down the 8K 30 and see what it looks like. You get me? Like slow it down like 80%. But this is the video footage from it. It looks really good. Looks really good. So let me do a real close-up shot of this. So I'm going to do a close-up shot, just like focus on your eyes and see, like hopefully it works.
Okay.
Hopefully it works. So you just stay right there. So I'm shooting on the VILTROX 75 f1.2, but I'm shooting at 1.2, right? So this is what the footage looks like, and yo, it is so good. Look at me. Nice.
It's like a cover dog commercial.
Yeah, it looks really nice. Yeah, keep that. I so wish I could slow down this footage right now, but I'm going to. All right, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. I wish I could go in a little bit closer, but I can't. All right, so I'm going to change the frame in a bit. So I'm more than likely going to put you inside somewhere, so it is surrounded. You're surrounded by something, right? So let me see. Let me just pick a nice spot. So through these bushes right there. Yeah.
I escaped from the nearby bushes.
Let me see how this looks. Let me see if alright this will look. No, it's too bright. Alright, so I'm going to flip around. So you turn, no, you're going to turn, face that side. Stay right there, stay right there. Alright, yeah, I like this. Focus. Yeah. Yo, the autofocus, man, this a kick. Yeah. One with nature. Nice. Yes. Loving it. Love it. Nice. All right, so guys, I'm going to test out the full body aspect of this right now and see what it looks like in full body. But let me see, where should I shoot this full body part. I probably just want to get up on probably just want to get the grass alone. So step back. I'll come forward to you. All right. All right, so camera rolling. So you just do your vibe. Yeah, keep that natural type of vibe. Yeah. Be free. Nice. One with nature. Loving it. Love it. Love it. Alright, yo. I'm fascinated by how this looks. But the thing is, I don't see how it looks in the editing software yet. So when I go in the editing software, then I'll be the judge of that. Alright, so let's get the veil. I'm going to get the veil, and then you're going to do the same thing, but in the center of that. We just don't understand how to expose certain type of stuff. So this is the first time I'm actually trying to shoot with this. Right, I tested it out yesterday, but the exposure was okay. So can't wait to go back home and see what the exposure look like. Alright. You can pause, man. Alright, man, stop this. Alright, so the final one now is full body. Face me fully. Yeah. So it's like bring up your hands. Yeah. Then when you bring up your hand, then you can slightly twist your body. Twist it more so you can see your shape. Yeah. Nice. So see if you can, I don't know how low you can go. Yeah. Love it. Fucking love it. Alright, my record the next one. Alright, so my record to the camera now. Alright. You record? Yeah? What's to do me I do? Don't bad me up that hard. Man, I bad me up. Say you bad me up, some of you. So you bad me up. Do we all do no, man? Alright, so I'm going to go 4K HQ, no, 4K 59. Alright, so 25. Bring down this. Okay, so like I'm not shooting to the monitor. You can use the monitor to display what I'm doing. Alright, so give me a little bit more light. Oh, that's a ProRes. Should be showing. Okay, so I realized that when I shoot in ProRes, that's when I get the flat image. That's when I can see the flat image on the monitor. All right, not bad. So this is going to be slowed down. So I'll tell you when to go and go. Nice, shooting ProRes HQ 4K 60. Nice. Yeah. Loving it. Yeah. Yeah. Love it. One more. I'm going to change the angle. Alright. Yeah, I wish I could go in closer, and I was like, I can't.